The process of seating a 12-person jury in Donald Trump's hush money case began.
The entire world will witness the commencement of the very first Biden trial. They're all Biden trials, you know that, right? And I'm proud to do it for you. Have a good time watching.
Donald Trump, the first former president in American history to be charged with either state or federal crimes. The indictment centers on allegations that Trump falsified internal records kept by his company to hide the true nature of payments made to his then personal lawyer and fixer Michael Cohen, who helped cover up Trump's extramarital affairs. The case centers on payoffs to two women, porn star Stormy Daniels and Playboy model Karen McDougal, who said they had extramarital sexual encounters with Trump years earlier, as well as to a Trump Tower doorman who claimed to have a story about a child he alleged Trump had out of wedlock. Cohen paid Daniels $130,000 and arranged for the publisher of the National Enquirer supermarket tabloid to pay McDougal $150,000 in a journalistically dubious practice known as catch and kill. Trump's company, the Trump Organization, then reimbursed Cohen and paid him bonuses and extra payments, all which prosecutors say were falsely logged as legal expenses in company records. Over several months, Cohen said the company paid him $420,000.
Trump directed me to use my own personal funds from a home equity line of credit to avoid any money being traced back to him that could negatively impact his campaign. And I did that too, without bothering to consider whether that was improper, much less whether it was the right thing to do or how would it impact me, my family, or the public. And I am going to jail in part because of my decision to help Mr. Trump hide that payment from the American people before they voted a few days later.
The indictment, brought by Manhattan District Attorney Alvin Bragg, made Trump the first ex-president ever to face criminal charges. Donald Trump has denied any wrongdoing and repeatedly assailed the investigation, calling the hush money indictment political persecution. He has pleaded not guilty. Trump and his lawyers argue that payments to Michael Cohen were legitimate legal expenses and not part of any cover-up. "I was paying a lawyer and marked it down as a legal expense," he said. "That's exactly what it was. And you get indicted over that?" Even as jury selection has begun, Trump and his lawyers have continued to ask for a postponement and for the judge to be removed. They say he has a conflict because his daughter is a political consultant who works for Democrats. An appeals court has so far declined to delay the trial further. Prosecutors have also asked the judge to consider fining Trump $3,000 for derogatory comments he made on social media about two potential witnesses in the case. The Manhattan District Attorney's Office says Trump's insults violate a gag order limiting what he can say about witnesses. Trump and 18 others were charged in August by Fulton County District Attorney Fani Willis with participating in a scheme to illegally try to overturn his narrow loss to Democrat Joe Biden in the 2020 presidential election in Georgia. Among the others charged along with Trump are former White House Chief of Staff Mark Meadows and former New York Mayor and Trump attorney Rudy Giuliani. The alleged scheme includes a wide-ranging list of alleged acts, including Trump's infamous January 2021 phone call to Georgia's Secretary of State, an effort to replace Georgia's Democratic presidential electors with ones who would vote for Trump, harassment of a Fulton County election worker, and the unauthorized copying of data and software from elections equipment. So that's it for today's video. Be sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel for more content like this one. Thanks for watching.